Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing the Dream On whale from BTS Tiny Tan. So let's get started. To draw this cute whale, let's first start by drawing a really big curve. So I'm going to start kind of like drawing a C. So let's start about right here, and I'm just going to go for it. So about right here, let's just draw a big curve all the way around. And I'm just going to keep bringing this in about right there. And I'll end about the same level from there. So I can kind of gauge what I'm doing here. So then from there, let's bring this in more. So now we have this curve. Let's bring this just a tiny bit more over. So we're just going to start to come down a little bit. So about right there, just take a step back and take a look. About right there. And let's do the same thing on this side, on the bottom right here. About right there. So about the same level. So that is your basic goal, to draw this big, kind of like a C, right? Okay, so then from there we can start drawing a little bit more details. So I'll start by right here. I'll just bring this over a little bit more. And I'm going to draw the first little hump right here on the back. So I'm going to come out, pop it out a little bit, and bring it down. And we're still kind of like, I'm stopping right here because I'm still imagining this curve coming down for the tail. Okay, so then on this side, let's bring this down. Let me bring it up a tiny bit and about right there. So the fins are about the same area. Let's come about right here. I'll just say right here. And I'm just going to bring out this fin right here. A curve, nice and soft. Everything is nice and round. And we're just going to bring it right back up. Okay, so then now let's come back here and we're going to start to draw the tail. So like I said, just imagine this coming down about right here. And we're going to bring it down. And let's bring this. So this is overlapped and it's coming up. So just take it step by step. I know it's like a weird shape to draw, right? Okay, so then let's bring this down more and bring this up. So we're basically starting to connect the tail. So step by step, and let's bring this in. So about right here and right here. There, so we have the basic shape for our whale here. So definitely step back, take a look, and make any adjustments you need. Okay, so then from there, let's come right here. We're going to just draw the tail. So come out, little curve, and I'm going to find my center. So say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where to go. Then come in here, give a little curve, wobble, and bring it right back to my center. So same thing here. Come out, do a little wobble, curve, and bring it right back in. There. Okay, so now we have that shape in. We can come in here with all the little details. So let's see here. I'm going to come about right here. So my fin is here. I'm going to be using this as my guide. So I'll say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and start right here with a curve. And I'm going to go down, wobble, and connect back right there. So we just want to draw this curve right here. And you can bring it up a little bit so it makes it look like the whale is smiling more. If you like, right there. Okay, so then from there, this is going to continue. So then about right here, we're going to just taper this in. So now that we're done with the mouth, let's draw the dreamy eye. So we're just going to basically be drawing a really big curve in this area right here. So I'll just start about right here and just draw this curve, kind of like the bottom of a U basically. I'm just going to come right across, nice and big, about right there, and I'll go ahead and thicken it up. So you want this curve before this fin right area right here. to just kind of draw it right here. Now just sticking this up a little bit more. Nice big curve. There. Okay, you know what? Let me make it bigger. I feel like I need a bigger, rounder here. Now that the eye is drawn in, let's come right next to it and draw it over for the cheek. So I'll say about right here. I'm just gonna very lightly draw an oval. And if you're coloring this, you can just color it in red. Don't have to draw a line around it. So that's why I'm doing it really light. I feel like it shouldn't have too harsh of a line around it. And so then there's some stripes right here that I'm gonna lightly do as well. So I just wanted to show you how to put in these stripes. But like I said, if you're coloring, you don't need to put an outline around it. So everything should be nice and soft and dreamy on this whale, right? So I'm just gonna basically put in 3 stripes right here. So about right here. Draw another one. All coming across. And then there's going to be a little highlight right here. So in this area. So just remember when you're coloring, just give it a little highlight right here. White highlight right there. Now that we're pretty much done, I'm going to add a heart right here so that now it's my Dream On whale from BTS Tiny Tan. I draw so cute, Dream On whale, right? So I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.